Rattlesnakes, nature's ultimate survivors, have evolved an ingenious defense mechanism that's both terrifying and fascinating. Let's explore 5 mind-blowing ways these serpents use their iconic rattle to thrive in the wild. 1. The ultimate warning system. Rattlesnakes use their rattle as a sophisticated alarm, producing a distinctive sound that sends predators running. This rapid vibration, powered by specialized shaker muscles, can fire up to 50 times per second. It's like having a built-in security system that screams back off to potential threats. 2. Energy-saving defense. Surprisingly, rattling isn't just about intimidation, it's an energy-efficient survival strategy. By warning off predators before resorting to venom, rattlesnakes conserve precious resources. They can even adjust the intensity of their rattle based on the perceived threat, using a softer rattle for smaller animals and a more aggressive one for larger predators. 3. Stealth mode activated. Contrary to popular belief, rattlesnakes don't always announce their presence. They often rely on camouflage and stillness as their first line of defense. The rattle becomes a last resort when these tactics fail, allowing the snake to avoid unnecessary confrontations and preserve energy for hunting and survival. 4. Evolutionary advantage. The rattle isn't just a noisemaker, it's a testament to evolutionary ingenuity. Research suggests that tail vibration behavior preceded the development of the physical rattle, demonstrating how a simple defensive action evolved into a complex survival tool. This adaptation gives rattlesnakes a significant edge in the survival game. 5. Multi-purpose tool. Beyond defense, the rattle serves other surprising functions. Some scientists believe the sound may also play a role in communication between rattlesnakes, potentially aiding in mating rituals or territorial disputes. This multi-purpose tool showcases the remarkable adaptability of these fascinating creatures. Rattlesnakes continue to captivate and surprise us with their survival strategies. As we uncover more about these remarkable reptiles, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate ways nature equips its creatures to thrive in challenging environments.